Yeah, so I started to come to life at wellness in 2017 when I had encountered some groin pain, and I came to get some physio via Emmett, who gave me a good range of exercises. However, it turned out that it was a hip replacement that I was required to get done, and post-operative. I came in again and I gave it to Emmett, who then did my post-op care, which started 2 weeks after my operation. Continued for about 3 or 4 months through my private healthcare, and really the care was excellent, and the recovery was very good. But of course that's part of the work that the person has to put in. Unfortunately, then needed another hip replacement, which happened last November. So I knew what to do pre-op, and I've now seen Morven for just after 8 months. And then the reason it took so long is because I've now been diagnosed with knee arthritis. So I've now been working in Morven as well as hip care recovery, as well as to help build up my quads to try and make my knee replacement as long a time away as in the future as possible.